Hey everyone, today I am thrilled to introduce you to the new RU-BTLA. It's the most advanced Bluetooth receiver on the market today. This is the perfect solution for any installed system, live events, or other applications that require professional grade quality and features. The RU-BTLA delivers a complete set of audio outputs, including balanced XLR, unbalanced RCA, and Format-A through twisted pair RJ45 jacks. There is a level control for the XLR and the RCA outputs, as well as independent stereo mono switches for the line and Format-A outputs. The RU-BTLA supports Bluetooth Classic as well as Bluetooth LE audio, supporting high-quality LC3 audio and extended range, as well as ensuring capability with a wide range of current and future user devices. The RU-BTLA was designed to support the unique requirements of commercial installations, including the ability to enable or disable pin pairing, set the pairing pin, and customize the broadcast name of each RU-BTLA. The RU-BTLA can be simply placed on a surface with its non-slip rubber feet, secured using the integrated mounting plate, and it's also compatible with all rack-up mounting accessories. For flexible user access, wall-mounted pairing controls are available in Decora or EU-style form factors to allow users to initiate remote pairing. The integrated antenna allows up to a 100-meter range when paired with a Class 1 device and eliminates the risk of lost or broken external antennas. In a situation where the AV rack is completely isolated, the RU-BTLA has mounting holes that allow it to be mounted anywhere on a wall or ceiling, with a balanced audio or Format-A cable running back to the rack. And of course, the RU-BTLA is manufactured at our factory here in Prescott, Arizona, using high-quality components and materials. And like all RDL products, every single unit is thoroughly inspected and tested before it's packaged and shipped out to customers. So there you have it, the RU-BTLA, a Bluetooth receiver designed specifically for professional applications.